In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom background to Google Slides. Let's dive right in and explore how you can give your presentations a personalized and professional look by setting a custom background image. First off, you'll want to fire up your preferred web browser and head over to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that now. Enter your Google account credentials and you'll be ready to start creating stunning slides in no time. Once you're all signed in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. From here you have a couple of options. You can click on a blank presentation if you want to start from scratch, or select one of the pre-designed templates if you're looking for a little inspiration to get started. Either way, you'll be able to customize the background following the same simple steps. Now that you have your presentation open, it's time to inject some visual flair with a custom background. Look towards the top of the interface and you'll spot the background option. Give that a click and you'll find yourself presented with a new window that gives you various customization options. In the background dialog box, click on the button labeled Image. Here you have multiple ways to choose your image, whether it's from your local device, Google Photos, a URL, or even a built-in Google image search. Take a moment to find the image that perfectly captures the theme or mood you're going for. This is where you get to be creative and really make your presentation unique. After selecting your image, you can see the preview on your slide. It may take a few tries to find just the right image, so don't hesitate to experiment. Remember, the goal is to enhance your content without overpowering it, so choose an image that complements your text and overall message. If your first choice doesn't quite hit the mark, you can simply repeat this step and choose another image. Once you've found the perfect image and are satisfied with how it looks on your slide, click the Done button. Your custom background is now set and will make your slides stand out with a personalized touch and engaging visuals. Congratulations! You've successfully added a custom background to your Google Slides presentation. With this new skill, you can now create more visually appealing and impactful presentations that clearly convey your ideas and leave a lasting impression on your audience. Feel free to explore additional options like changing the background for individual slides or the entire deck, depending on the needs of your presentation. Thank you for following along. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tech tips and tricks. Happy presenting!